Kids, hello.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm very sorry for that one. There is a power interruption in my place, and this time teacher is only using the mobile data that I have. Okay, hopefully my our electricity will be restored. So look at here. If I'll be opening my video, it's very dark because there's a power interruption. So allow me to close my video, okay? Just allow me to close my video.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, let's
Okay,
okay,
Miss.
let's pray that the the electricity will be back later on. So it's 6:08 Indonesian time. Today is grammar class, okay? I already have 12 of you tonight. So we have Daraka and Nayaka, our new attendees this afternoon. Tonight. Aileen is still here with us. So, Catherine, please tell me how's my voice.
Hello, teacher. We can
Okay,
hear
it's
you
clear.
clearly.
Thank you. How about you, Hani and Sundara? How's teacher's voice? Aaron, how's my voice, Aaron?
That is great. I can hear it.
Okay, thank you for that one. Okay, if you can still recall, last Monday I gave you an exam, right? So um, for those who were with me, who were present last Monday, I gave an exam. Okay, so
Monday. That's good.
okay, and we allow me to share my screen, and we will be discussing, okay, each sentences, and let us give the correct answer for the following. So, Alfonso, do you have my screen?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Can you please answer number one? Okay, by the way, last Monday I got 17 responses from the group.
Oh,
Okay,
wow. That's
yes,
a lot.
teacher was happy to note that mostly of you got a passing score for that test. Okay, Alfonso, let's start with number one.
And
I want
blank
you to
is, hmm?
read a sentence, then read the choices before you
O-
give the correct answer.
Okay. One. And blank is a small pointed tool used for piercing holes. One. ALL. Two. AWL. The
Yes.
answer is all the AWL.
Okay, very good. So this is the correct answer. So
Yay.
this is a pointed tool used for piercing or making holes. Alfonso, how do we call all, ALL and AWL? How do we call that?
All.
Hello, Alfonso.
Yes.
Sorry for that. I lag. I'm lagging,
All.
right?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. Um, because teacher is only using I am only using mobile data. Okay.
Hmm.
Um yes, because there's no internet, because there's no electricity. Okay, Alfonso, how do we call ALL and AWL? These are examples of
Homonyms.
homonyms. Okay. Yes. And what are homonyms?
A homonyms is a two words that are same pronunciation but different spelling and meaning.
Yes, that's good. Everybody take note of that definition from Alfonso. Same pronunciation or closely having the same pronunciation but you have different spellings and different meanings. Again, for sentence number 1, the correct answer is all, AWL. Thank you. Let's move to sentence number 2, Aaron. Do the honor, please. Aaron, number 2.
The teacher read the story aloud. The, the second one.
Okay, it's the second one. How do you spell the second one? Aaron, teacher is still talking to you. How do you spell the second word?
ALOUD.
Okay, what do we mean by ALOUD? Aloud.
Mean
Yes.
like screaming. Almost like screaming.
It
But not
looks like
screaming.
screaming.
Like screaming, but not screaming.
Okay. It means that you are saying it aloud. Okay, very clear. What do you call that one? Not literally screaming. Okay, but your tone of voice is loud so that your audience or the one you're talking to can clearly hear it. Okay, so you have a loud. Because Aaron, what do we mean by the first word? ALLOWED. What do we mean by that word?
I just forget.
Come again.
I just forget it. How to? I just forget.
Oh, okay, you forget about it. You forget about it.
Yes.
Okay. So who would like to give me the meaning of allowed? ALLOWED. What do we mean by this?
Give
Give
permission.
permission.
Yeah, that's very good, Daraka. To allow is to give permission or to permit. Okay, so Daraka, please read sentence number 3.
Okay, number 3. Teacher, blah blah blah, asked to play in the room yesterday. Uh, number 1 allowed, number 2 allowed. It's number 2 allowed with
Yes,
A
with
L O W E D allowed.
very good. Because a while ago, Daraka said allowed. The second one means to give permission. So if we look into the sentence, the teacher permits the kids to play in the room. Okay, very good. For number 3, the correct answer is allowed. The second word. Okay, very good. How about number 4? I'll move now to Catherine. Number 4.
Okay, teacher. We brought we brought fresh blank. 1. Air. AIR. 2. Air. ERR. 3. Hair. HAIR. The answer is air number 1. Miss,
Hello? Catherine, I'm sorry. Can I ask you to read sentence number 4 with the correct answer?
fourth, we brought fresh blank. First, air. Second, air. Third, hair. The answer is air first. The first air.
Okay. Yes. We breathe fresh air. Okay, the correct answer is the first one. Very good. Thank you, Catherine.
Miss, teacher.
Let's
Miss,
move to sentence. Yes, hi, Nicolas.
I'm sorry, I'm late, Miss, because I had to read for a while. I have to read my books for a while.
Yes, no worries, Nicolas. Thank you for being here. I want you to read number 5, Nicolas.
Um, she married the black of the richest family in Indonesia. Number one, air, AIR. Number two, air, ERR. Number three, hair, HEIR. The answer is number three, hair.
Okay, yes. She married the heir to the richest family in Indonesia. Okay, the correct answer is the third one, HEIR. Okay, the one who will inherit all the riches of the family. Okay, that's what we call the of the family. Okay, thank you, Nicholas.
Welcome, Miss.
Okay, let's move to okay, sentence number 6. I'll have probably. Okay, I'm very sorry. My connection is really down for today.
Miss, you sounded lagging for me, Miss.
Yes.
Miss, your voice is lagging.
Miss?
Yes.
Miss,
What just happened?
what happened? What happened? Oh, that's yours. Miss. German.
Hasn't
Miss.
been restored yet. Yes. I don't know if I can share again my screen because my connection is unstable.
Tudum. Tudum.
What just happened?
What happened, buddy?
I don't know.
Hello.
Hello, Miss.
Hi.
Miss. Hello, Miss. Welcome back.
So sorry, kids. I wasn't expecting this to happen today.
It's okay, Miss.
It's okay, Miss.
Thank you. You know what? I'll try to. Oh, what did you share in? What's that, Arga? Oh, okay. You unsent it. You know what? If I'm going to open my camera, it's still dark. Everything is dark
Why, Miss? Why?
because there's no electricity, Nicholas. And so that's the
Oh,
reason why my connection is down. Teacher's just using my mobile data, the connection from my phone, not from the Wi-Fi that I have here at home. I will try to share my screen, okay? Again. Okay. Do you have my screen again?
Yes,
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you. So we are done with number 5. Let's continue to number 6. I will be calling Arga to read and answer number 6.
okay, Miss. Tristan was stranded in N blank for 3 days. Is
Yes,
Isaac
please
in number
read the
2.
choices. Okay, I'll read the 3 choices.
Tristan was stranded in N blank for 3 days. The answer is Isaac, number 2.
Okay. So the choices are you have the first one, that's aisle. Second, that's still aisle, not isle, okay? And the third one, it's also aisle. Okay. Arga, please read again the sentence and the 3 choices. The correct way of reading that one is aisle, aisle, and aisle,
One,
not
one,
isle. Okay. Again, Tristan.
one, aisle, 2, aisle, aisle, 3, aisle.
Is that isle? Aisle.
The answer is 2, aisle.
Yes. The answer, Arga, is
2, aisle.
okay. The Arga, not isle. This is aisle. Aisle. The second one, that's isle.
Aisles.
Yes. So Tristan was stranded in an aisle for 3 days. The correct answer is the third word. What's the spelling of the third word, Arga?
Aisle. I-S-L-E. Aisle.
Yes. Because what do we mean by isle? I-S-L-E. It is an island, or a small land, an island being surrounded by body of water. So this is the correct answer. we when you answer the first word I'll, it's not the correct answer because it's the contracted form of I will. Also not I'll because it's a passageway between two. For example, in the grocery store, the passageway where you're going to walk, that's how you call the aisle. Aisle. Okay, thank you, Arga.
You're welcome.
Can I have Honey for number 7?
Yes, miss. The
Hello.
yes, miss. The bride walked down the blank. I saw Isel. The the answer
Sige nga, wag jud.
the answer is I saw.
It's so the correct way of reading is aisle. Come again, aisle.
I
Okay, it's the second word, Honey, right?
yes.
Yes, what's the spelling, Honey?
A A S L E.
Okay, so you have aisle. Come again, Honey, aisle.
Aisle.
Uh, everybody, kids, it's not aisle, okay? Not aisle, but aisle. So the bride walked down the aisle. Okay, thank you,
You're
Honey.
welcome, miss.
Can I have Sundara for number 8? Sundara?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, please read number 8.
Aisles is the contract
Contract.
form of uh, I I will, I shall, I can. I will.
Very good. The correct answer is
I will.
I will. Very, very good, Sundara. Thank you.
You're welcome, teacher.
So I'll repeat. I'll apostrophe LL. So let's move now to sentence number 9. I hope you can still hear me. And can I have Inda?
Yes, teacher.
Number 9, Inda.
I am from a small blank 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 surrounded by the Pacific Sea. The answer is aisle. Number 1 aisle, number 2 aisles, number 3 aisle. The answer is the number 3 aisle.
Yes, very good. The correct answer is number 3. ISLE. Very good. Thank you, Enda.
You're welcome, teacher.
So I am from a small isle surrounded by the Pacific Sea. Isle. ISLE. Good. Okay, next to Enda, I'll be having Eileen. Eileen.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Eileen, how about number 10, Eileen?
Yes. Catherine has a blah 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 of books in her room. Uh, a lot, a lot.
Okay. In her room. Eileen, hello.
Yes, sister. My connection
Yes.
error.
Okay. Connection error also. I understand that one. Okay. What do you think is the correct answer? A lot or a lot?
A lot.
It's the first one.
Yes.
Okay, yes, that's good. Okay, Catherine, could you please read it again, Aileen? Okay, so I will be reading. Catherine has a lot of books in her room. Okay, thank you, Aileen. Let's move to number 11. Number 11, Claudie.
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
please read number 11.
I have plenty of friends in school. One, a lot. Two, a lot.
Yes. What do you think is the correct answer for this? I
Um,
have blank friends in school.
this answer is one, a lot.
Yes, still the correct answer is the first one, a lot. Because when you say a lot, the first one, it means many or plenty. On the other hand, A a lot, that means to to portion or to give. Okay, thank you, Claudie.
Welcome, miss.
Very good, Claudie. Mark, you're here, Mark.
Yes, Mr. Main.
Hello. You were not around last Thursday. Why?
Come again.
You were not around last Thursday during the reading comprehension class. Why? Oh,
Oh, sorry about that Thursday because I was too sleepy and I
okay.
at night and then suddenly realized I missed class.
You suddenly realized that you missed class.
Yes.
Okay. So gladly you're not that sleepy today, so that's why you're here. Please do number 12, Mark.
Okay. I blank a small amount of my money for saving.
Yes.
And we pick the second option, a lot.
Okay, it's the second option, which is a lot. Okay, very good. That's the correct answer.
Because the other
Thank
ones,
you.
the other one
Yes.
for the option one say it's meaning of a bunch, many of them. It's always many.
Yes, that's good. Okay. Kids, hello.
Hello, miss.
Could you please,
Yes,
yes,
miss. Yes,
yes.
miss.
Could you please wait for me for a while? I'll be electricity is back. I'll be changing first my connection, okay? I'll switch first to my Wi-Fi
Okay.
for a while. For a
Okay, miss.
while. Hello?
Teacher.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, Miss.
Hello.
Okay. Okay. Electricity is back already. I'm already connected to Wi-Fi. I hope this will work now. I can see Nayaka clapping his hand. Thank you. Too cute. Okay. How's my voice, Catherine? Is it good now?
It's clear, teacher.
Yes, thank you. So let's proceed now. Let's have, okay, 3 more items. Number 13, I'll be having, okay, I'll move to Shitya now. Shitya.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, number 13, please.
Barrels of wine and other alcoholic beverages uh, surrounded her. Number one,
Okay,
L.
surrounded.
Surrounded. Number one, L. Number two, L. The
Yes.
answer is number two.
What's the correct answer?
Number one,
It is,
L.
okay, ale, A-L-E. Okay, that is the correct answer. Okay. Read again the sentence, Shetya, with the correct answer, please.
Barrels of ale and other alcoholic beverages surrounded her.
Okay. Because when we talk about ale, it is a liquor or an alcoholic drink. Okay, thank you, Shetya. Number 14, let's move now to Noel. Number 14.
Blank means to cause pain or distress. The
Yes.
answer is ale. The second one, I think.
Continue reading number 15, Noel.
The princess slept blank day. The answer is the first one, all.
Okay, all. So the princess slept all day. Okay, good. Thank you, Noel. So that was our test last Monday. So I will be sharing again teacher's screen. Okay, not this one. Can you see my screen this time?
Yes, teacher.
Teacher.
Okay. So I'll be asking 2 kids to read. Okay, 2 kids to read all of these words so that you won't forget this one. And please take note of this. Again, these are examples of homonyms. Okay. So common examples of homonyms. I'll have Alfonso to read everything. Alfonso. Okay. If not Alfonso, Daraka, can I have you?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. I want you to read the word and its definition.
Okay. Which one?
Can you see this one the one that I highlighted? This.
Okay, Miss. Ale. The first ill, to be ill, to cause pain or distress. The second ill, malt beverage more bitter than beer. Air, what we breathe. Air,
Yes.
make mistake. Hair, one who inherits something. Aisle, passageway. I'll, contraction for I will. Isle, a small island. All, entire or everything. All, a tool. A lot, to parcel out. A lot, always to words meaning many. Allowed, gave permission to. Allowed, said out loud or spoken.
Very good. Okay, thank you for reading it well, Daraka.
Miss, I want to read it too.
Oh, yes. Sorry, Nicholas. Okay, thank you, Daraka. Let's move now to Nicholas. Go, Nicholas.
Number 1, ill. To be ill, to cause pain or distress. Number 2, ale. Malt beverage more bitter than beer. Number 1, air. What we breathe. Number 2, air. Make a mistake. Number 3, hair. One who inherits something. Number 1, aisle. Passageway. Number 2, aisle. Contraction for I will. Isle, a small island. All, entire, everything. All, a tool. Number 1, a lot, parcel out. Number 2, allowed. A lot, always to being money. Number 1, allowed. Give permission to. Number 2, allowed. Said out loud. Spoken.
Yes, very good. Thank you for reading it well too, Nicholas. Very good.
You're welcome, Miss.
Yes, very good. Okay, so the two boys were able to read it correctly. Okay, good, very good. So we also started discussing about the two new pairs of words. We have already, that is two words. That means all are ready. Again, all ready, two words that means all are ready. For example, if we say we are all ready to go. Okay, if you mean all of you in a group, okay, that's the time you are going to say all ready. On the other hand, we also have the word already. That's one word, okay? Which means, it refers to time. Again, it refers to time. Example here is when you ask, is it summer already? Is it summer already? If you talk or if you ask about time, oh, you are going to use the word already. So let's go back to the different sentences that we answered last time. I hope you can still remember these sentences. Okay, can I have Enda to read everything?
Okay. Okay, miss. The team is all ready for the game. The meal is all ready for serving. She has already eaten dinner. The worker has already accepted the job offer. The train has already departed.
Yes, good. Thank you, Enda.
Welcome, teacher.
Can I also ask Catherine to read everything?
The team is all ready for the game. The meal is all ready for serving. She has already eaten dinner. The worker has already accepted the job offer. The train has already departed.
Catherine, read this word again.
Accepted.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you. So let's focus to the first sentence. The team is all ready. Why are we using all ready? The two words. Why are we using that word?
Because all the team is already.
Okay, because the team itself is ready. Everyone in the team is ready. It refers to all the people comprising the team. So that's why we say all ready. Okay, that's good. Thank you, Enda. How about the last sentence? The train has already departed. The train has already departed. Why are we using already? Why
Because
already with one word only?
it's about time.
Yes, Darana? Yes, because if we are going to ask a question, when we say, has the train already departed? So you will say, yes, the train has already departed. It talks about time. Okay, that's good. Okay, thank you, Daraka. So I hope we are already clear with already two words and already, which is one word. Alfonso, still good?
Yes.
Okay. Let's move now to the next set of words. So we have here, I think we haven't discussed that one. We have here all together. Everybody, I want you to look at my screen. We have all together and we also have all together. Hmm. We have all together and we also have all together. Oh, teacher, so you'll be asking me, oh, teacher, same way of reading, same way of pronunciation. Okay, because it is an example of homonyms. Me first, what's the difference between the two? Please do not focus on its definition. Just look at how the words are. Just look at first how the word it is. Are. The words are. How do these two words differ from each other? I want you to give the clear difference between the two. All together and all together. Kids, hello? How do these two words differ from each other? All together and all together.
The first altogether refers to a group, but the second altogether is entirely
Okay,
all.
so that's the difference when we talk about its definition, right? But if you set aside the definition, how do they differ from each other?
Maybe it's all together it's two words, but all together is only one word.
Yes, that's okay. That is what I am looking. Very good, Enda. So same with the first one, with the first pair, that's you look at here. You have already, that's two words, right? You have all and ready. But on the second one already, that is only written as one. Same with the next pair of words. Altogether, that comprises two words. The next one altogether that only has one word. Am I clear? Is teacher
Yes,
clear with that
Miss
one?
Janet.
Okay. Take note that altogether refers to a group, all of us or all all of them together. So it is a phrase that means everyone or everything together. Okay, huh? Everyone or everything together. All together, that also means entirely, but it is an adverb. Take note. Altogether, it is an adverb that means completely or entirely. Okay, it means completely or entirely. Let us read the example. Mark, please read the first example.
Example. It is wonderful to be all together to celebrate your birthday.
Yes. So when you have this all together, you are referring to each individual, okay, coming together. So all together celebrating the birthday. How about the next word, next example?
It is not altogether his fault.
Okay, it is not altogether his fault. Altogether here is used as an adverb. Okay, for you to better understand the comparison between the two, teacher will be giving more examples. Can we use the chat box, kids? Can we use the chat box?
Yay, the chat box.
Okay.
Okay.
Please wait for me while I type the sentence. Please do not give your answer yet, okay? Please wait for the sentence. Okay. I will be asking, okay, Nayaka, could you please read the sentence in the chat box? Again, do not drop your answer yet. Go, Nayaka.
The guest gather blah 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 in the house.
Gathered.
Gathered.
Yes. Okay. So we have here the guest gathered blank in the house. So we have here, I've changed now so that everybody can see the sentence because I think not all of you are using it. So we have here all together versus all together. Okay, Nayaka, please read the sentence again.
The guests gathered all together in the house.
Yes, which one are we going to use? Is it the first or the second?
First.
Okay, yes. So we are going to use all together. Why should we use all together here? Okay, okay, if not Nayaka, how about the other kids? Why are we going to use all together? The first one. Because,
It refers to a group.
yes, it refers to a group of individual referring to the guests being gathered together. Okay, so gathered all together. Yes, that's good. Thank you, Daraka. Okay, I I still need to talk or to write the sentence. Okay, please wait for the next one. Okay, there you go, the second sentence. Catherine, can I ask you to read?
We had an amazing time at the party because we were blank. The answer is all together.
First or second?
First.
Yes, still the answer is the first one. Please read again, Catherine.
We had an amazing time at the party because we were all together.
Why are we going to use all together for that sentence? Okay, of course, other kids can answer.
Because it's still what a group.
Yes, because still we are referring to a group. Okay, okay, being fused together or what do you call that one? Went together to a party. So we are still referring to a group. So that is all together. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Catherine.
You're welcome,
It's
teacher.
already time, but allow me to extend for a while. Allow me to extend for a while. Okay. Let's have the last sentence. Okay, I'll have the last sentence. Okay, we have here the last sentence. Can I have Noel for the last sentence?
She had 10 children blank. The answer
Yes.
is altogether the first one.
The one.
Yes, miss.
Okay. So everybody, she had 10 children. Noel said all together. The first one. Remember all together, meaning all in one place, fused together, joined together, meaning in a group. In this sentence, everybody, she had 10 children. We are going to use the word all together. Okay. So why are we going to use that one? Because all together here means, what does it mean? It means she had, in other words, we can say that she had 10 children in total. Okay. All together here being used in an adverb referring to every one of her children or everything as a whole. Meaning altogether she had 10 children. Okay? Again, this one altogether. Okay, we are going to use that one. It's an adverb referring to everyone, each of her children. Okay, everything as a whole. In total, she had 10 children. Okay. So we will be discussing more of this next meeting, okay? Okay, so we will be discussing more of that next meeting. So again, I would like to say sorry for the inconvenience a while ago because my connection was down because of the electricity. But nevertheless, teacher hopes that you have learned something from this evening's discussion. Again, Daraka and Nayaka, thank you for being with us tonight. It's my pleasure to meet the two of you.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
And also to my students, okay, thank you for still being with me. I'll see you on Thursday, okay? But can I take a photo of us?
Oh, yes,
All
sure.
right, cool.
Why don't we do it?
Yes,
What we
I'll take a photo, everybody.
doing?
Please, I hope you will open your camera, Katrina and Nicolas.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
Wow.
Oh
Okay,
shoot!
everybody is Nicholas.
Oh, camera is closed.
Nicholas, so handsome. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, very, very good. Thank you, kids. I'll see you on Thursday. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Miss.
teacher. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Mr. Main. Bye bye, everyone. Bye bye.
Mark. Yes, Mark. Bye-bye. See you next time. Vincent, hello.